The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade County in southeastern Florida until 7:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Miami Beach, Coral Gables, Surfside, Virginia Key, North Miami Beach, Sunny Isles Beach, Miami Springs, Miami Shores, North Bay Village, West Miami, El Portal, Little Haiti, Liberty City, Port of Miami, Glazeview, Downtown Miami, and Pinewood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Yo.